In the last video, you created an estimate from your configured project, but an estimate only shows prices and line items. It does not describe in detail what exactly will be built. That is what the specification document is for. In this video, I will show you how Leadtime automatically generates a specification from your project tree, with all requirements, decisions, and open points. A quick word on why this matters. A specification document describes precisely which requirements the project must meet. Functional aspects, design guidelines, technical details. It serves as a communication tool, a contract basis, and an acceptance criterion all in one. The problem in practice. Creating a specification document is a lot of work. A service provider can really only make a reliable estimate of effort once the specification is finalized. But many customers expect an offer much earlier. That means risk. Leadtime solves exactly this problem. The dynamic questionnaires in project components speed up requirements gathering, and the specification is generated directly from structured data, not written manually, but automatically from what you configured in the project tree. I switch to the Documents tab and click Create Document. The workflow is familiar from the estimate. Select the project version, document type, this time specification. Enter a title, for example, Specification Website Relaunch Bakery Mueller. Set the status to draft. Assign the contact person. The layout options are the same as before. Table of contents, title page, heading style. What is inside? Everything you configure in the project tree is automatically converted to a textual description. Every component, every epic, every work package with its description. The answers from the questionnaires. Which options the customer chose and which they did not. Which dynamic packages are active and why. The estimated effort per work package. The specification also transparently shows what is not included. If the customer said no to e-commerce, that is documented. This protects you from later discussions. But I thought the shop was included. The strength is that you capture requirements only once, in the project tree. From there, they flow into the specification, the estimate, and later into tickets. No retyping, no transfer errors. You export the generated document as DOCX and send it to the customer. The customer checks whether everything was captured correctly. Are there corrections? You go back to the project tree, adjust the configuration, save a new version, and generate an updated specification. Every iteration is versioned. You can see exactly what changed between version 2 and version 3. The status shows you whether the specification is still in draft, with the customer for review or already approved. Once the customer approves the specification, you have a binding foundation. This version is referenced, documented, and traceable. In practice, the specification and the estimate work hand in hand. Both reference the same project version. The estimate shows the costs, the specification shows the content. If the scope changes, you update both based on a new version. Some service providers first offer only the specification creation as a paid service. Only after the specification is finalized and the customer has approved it, the binding estimate follows. With Leadtime, both approaches work, because the documents can be created independently, but are always based on the same project tree. From the project tree, a complete specification document is generated automatically. All requirements, decisions, and exclusions. Structured, versioned, and exportable. Together with the estimate, you now have two professional documents for your customer. In the next video, I will show you how to create contracts, NDAs, and other project documents using document templates with variables, conditions, and automatic data filling.